Okay, so this is going to be a quick little video on easy ways to get into the T-drive or L-stop. So you're skating normally, carving. All you really have to do is that outer leg, whichever one you want to choose. I'll use the right one for this example. Extend that inside, and then rather than carve, you'll actually stop. So carving, extend, stop. Another way you can get into that T-drive, you can lift the leg. I'll do the left leg this time. Turn it, see? And all you really have to do is just hold it down, lift it up so. Is there another way that you can do a T-drive? Well, lean forward. The leg in the back, simply drop. So get on some easy-going surfaces and practice those slides. They are much easier to initiate once the grounds are smooth and wet. Just keep in mind to always wear your wheels in a bit first so that that protective layer that's on brand new wheels isn't sticky. So once you've done that, go ahead and practice any slide you want.
Skate on.